Question number 6, and it has to do with positive punishment. They're using an exercise, squatting, as a consequence for refusing to comply with instructions. And they chose this particular exercise because the child has very weak lower body. They started at 10 seconds, it's increased to 30 seconds, and now it's up to about a minute. In previous streams, we talked about how a child desensitizes to certain levels of punishment, and that when you start at the lower levels and you increase it, they're tolerating higher and higher forms of it. They want to know, am I doing something wrong with this procedure? That question is a little bit harder to answer without knowing what's happening to the protests overall. Because when I'm using this type of intervention, what I want to see is a gradual decrease in the non-compliance to instructions and an increase in their ability to handle that exercise, right? So that they should get better and better with the exercise, as well as the frequency or the duration or something with their problem behavior is decreasing over time as well. So you would expect that they get better and better with the exercise as they do it because it's having that type of effect. The improvements are expected in his lower body strength as you work through it. So there's nothing wrong with seeing that. What I generally like to see is that, the protest side, the whatever the problem behavior side, that starts to also decrease. So we start to see less and less of that. But the increase in the actual, it just means good, he's getting stronger, which is what we want in this type of intervention.